Hello and welcome. We are talking about John Gottman's 7 principles for making marriage work. And today we're going to talk about principle number 1, which is enhancing each other's love map. So, what that means is becoming intimately familiar with your partner's inner world. You want to know what makes them tick. You want to know things from their past, present, and future. John Gottman asks, if you don't really know someone, how can you truly love them? So in this chapter of his book, Dr. Gottman suggests all kinds of questions that you can constantly be asking each other to get to know each other intimately so that your relationship can weather the shifts and storms that life will bring. So past questions include things like, what are their experiences in childhood that were difficult? Who were their best friends growing up? Present knowledge could include like what kind of dressings they like on their salad, or what are their favorite TV shows that if they aren't going to be home, you could record for them, how they felt at work, what stresses them out. And then of course, future, what are their dreams? What are their goals? What are they working towards? So the more we know our spouse, the stronger our relationship will be. Dr. Gottman says it this way: the more you know about each other's inner world, the more profound and rewarding your relationship will be. So the bulk of that chapter is games and questions that you can be asking your spouse all the time to find out all about their inner world. Now, I've linked my Pinterest page below this, where I've taken a whole bunch of pins that are questions, some of them coming from Gottman and some of them coming from other locations, that you can use to get to know your spouse better. I've also linked a quiz that comes right from the Gottman Institute website to give you an idea of how well you already know your spouse and give you a jumping off point to get to know them better. So my challenge to you this week is get to know your spouse so intimately on every level, which is a great foundation for the rest of your relationship. And then come back and join me for principle 2 of making your marriage work. To learn more ways to deepen your intimacy and strengthen your relationship, make sure you watch this video next.